Periodic maintenance for your VC4 or VC5 convection oven. In this video, we will cover periodic maintenance for your Vulcan VC4 or VC5 convection oven. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Periodic maintenance. Here are some important cleaning and maintenance instructions to conduct periodically as needed to get the most out of your unit. The rear air intake slots prevent the oven from overheating and running at peak performance. Failing to keep rear intake clear may lead to oven overheating and component failure. When the oven is cool, clean the air intake slots with a damp cloth. The flue releases heat from the oven and can get very hot. When the oven is cooled down, periodically make sure the vent is always free of obstructions. To replace the internal halogen lights, turn the light switch to off and remove all oven racks and oven rack guides. Remove the lamp cover with a flathead screwdriver. Slide out the bulb with your thumb and forefinger and replace with a new bulb. Periodically check for debris around the interior air rotor and remove any small bits of aluminum foil from the fan area. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan convection oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.